Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be cooking and sharing you how to cook a fish escabeche. Fish escabeche is a type of Filipino sweet and sour fish. In cooking fish escabeche, it requires first fry the fish and cook in the sweet and sour sauce. Are you ready? Let's cook the fish escabeche. First thing first, in cooking fish escabeche, we have to fry first the fish. In a pan, pour 1/4 cup of an oil. Once the oil is heat, put onion. Next, put garlic. In this process, we're going to make a sweet and sour sauce where our fried fish is soaked or put to make a fish escabeche. Next, put ginger, then carrots, then stir. The aroma is now so good. To thicken the sauce, we have this cornstarch and water. We're gonna dissolve this and mix it until it's dissolved properly. This is a process of dissolving the cornstarch into the water to thicken the sauce. Once stirred, we're gonna put the water which contains the cornstarch that we dissolved. Pour it. Then stir it. This is the secret to thicken the sauce of fish escabeche. Put seasoning granules on it, brown sugar, soy sauce, vinegar, then stir. Look at the sauce. It's now starting to thicken. This is how to make a sweet and sour sauce. Then sooner, we will put here the fried fish. Next, we will put whole peppercorn, tomato sauce, then mix it. We will put a pinch of salt. In making a fish escabeche, it's easy to prepare and cook. Look at now the sauce. It's now thicker and tangy. Our sweet and sour sauce is now cooked. I have here the fish. We will now put the fish one by one and soak it to make a fish escabeche. This is how to cook fish escabeche. This is now my escabeche. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe for more videos. Have a great day!